In the last video, I told you people about the basic structure of this cell, and I told you that I would come up with a video about an atom. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the basic structure of an atom. Now, honestly, I'm not going to go with those diagrams you may see in your physics books, which are like this, something like this. You must have seen them, because I apparently believe that they are wrong. I believe that they are wrong. So before I tell you about the structure of the atom, let me tell you about some parts of the atom. The atom has an electron, a proton, and a neutron. So these are the main things which comprise of the atom. Okay, so, and let me tell you that the number of protons in an atom and the number of electrons in an atom are equal. And the number of protons are also equal to the atomic number of that particular element. For example, oxygen is written as, not oxygen, the oxygen, if you see on the periodic table, as something like this, right? So this means that this thing over here, this is the atomic number and also the number of protons. And let me also tell you that, just a second, that atoms are electrically neutral, because protons are equal to electrons, and in case the one or more protons are added or one or more electrons are added, then they are no longer atoms, they become ions, and ions are charged. Okay, since I've told you people about this, I think it'll be right to now move on to the basic atom structure. I think I missed something. Okay, yes, the basic thing I missed. Okay, so this electron hovers around. Okay, so wait, this proton over here and this neutron over here, they are in the nucleus of the atom, and the electron hovers around the nucleus. And now I hope it's best now that I should start with the structure of the atom, the basic structure of the atom. Okay, so let's begin, saying that this is the nucleus of the atom, and protons are equal to 6 and neutrons are equal to 6. Okay, and then this is the shell of the atom. Okay, so this is the nucleus, this part over here, as I've shown that it contains the protons and the neutrons, and the electrons are hovering around in the shell which I've drawn around it. Now you must know that the first shell contains 2 electrons. First shell contains 2 electrons, and second shell onwards, let me just write it somewhere else. Second shell, okay, there we go. Second shell onwards, and second shell onwards there are 8 electrons. Okay, so this is the first shell. This is, say, 1. Okay, so how many this is an atom, so protons are 6. That means that the neutrons have to be equal to 6. So 1 and say 2. Now first shell contains 2 electrons written over here, and the second shell onwards they can contain up to 8 electrons. So I need to draw another shell. Okay, this is another shell, and there are 6, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So this over here shows the atom of the element carbon. So this is it, and in the next video I would be probably telling you about how when like 2 atoms of different elements are joined to found compounds or maybe molecules and so on. Okay.